Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to solve the Skewb Rubik's Cube. We are only using one algorithm to solve the whole Skewb Rubik's Cube. The algorithm is right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. This one is the only algorithm we are using in this whole video. Now let's scramble up the cube. Now it's scrambled. We can take any face to solve. I am taking white. First of all, we should look at these colors in this bottom layer to find pieces, white pieces. One is here, so we can attach it like that, and we can take any of these side colors. I am taking blue. We should find blue, and the blue is here. We can easily attach it like this and we make two pieces. The third is I am taking yellow, and the yellow is here. It also we can attach quickly. Green is here. We can attach it also quickly. But if we get no white pieces in the bottom and this is here, we can do is turn this all over here and move this piece away and put this in the right place and put that piece correct. Now it's corrected. In this case, if we get the white bottom and every piece is solved, we should do is turn this around like this. It will get here, and move this around, will get here. Put this in the right spot and take that corner in the correct spot. Now our white piece is solved. The next step is white's opposite is yellow, so we should make 4 corners yellow. In this case, there one headlight is, we should take this headlights like this, and 2 of these pieces, one is here, one is in the backwards, so that we are going to use that algorithm. Right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. Now our 4 corners are solved. Now our next step is to take this edge center to its correct place. We should do is put this in the, we should take this yellow, so it should be, we should put it in the back side and do that algorithm. Right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. Now we should rotate our cube 2 times and do that algorithm once more. Now our yellow piece is full solved. And the next is, we should do is find the opposite colors. Here is blue and it is orange. Look at these two. These two are not opposite. These two are adjacent. Let's look at this. This is green and orange. Green and orange is this. These are also adjacent. And if we look at this, these two are opposite, green and blue. These two are green and blue. These two are opposite. So we should put it, we should take this, put it like this and do our algorithm. Right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. And rotate 2 times. Right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. Now our cube is totally solved. Thank you. See you in the next video.